Hi friends! It's cooking time! Magluluto ako ng sweet and sour lapu-lapu.
These are the ingredients. So, let us prepare the fish. Lilinisin natin ang isdang lapu-lapu. Then, let us put salt. Lagyan natin ng asin para lumasa. At lagyan din natin ito ng calamansi juice para mawala ang lasa. So, we have to drench it with lemon. If you have lemon juice will do, or we usually have calamansi juice as alternative. The lime or the lemon juice will really help remove the fishy smell of the fish. And it will also add to the taste. Now this is ready to fry. So, iprito siya sa mainit na mantika. So we have to fry this until golden brown. Mas masarap ito pag a little crunchy na yung upper part ng fish. Okay, so look at the fish. Ang sarap. So when it is cooked, of course, we have to remove and then set the fish aside. Napakasarap na niyang tingnan, ano? Kahit na wala pa siyang sauce. Alright. So, ang next natin gagawin ay i-prepare ang lahat ng ingredients for the sauce and also for the toppings. So, you have to prepare all these ingredients. The sauce would taste so good if the ingredients are complete. So after preparing all the ingredients, when they are ready, then we have to saute them. So maglagay tayo ng konting oil sa pan when it is ready. So we have to saute the garlic. Tingnan natin pag medyo golden brown na, pwede na natin isusunod ang onion. So we have to add the onion and then saute. Malalaman natin na medyo luto na yung ating onion if it looks a little transparent, no? So we have to continue to saute. And then, isusunod din natin ang iba pang mga spices like the ginger and also the tomatoes. So, we saute the tomatoes, continue stirring until all the spices are cooked. So habang hinihintay natin na maluto, lagay muna natin ng sugar and vinegar. So kailangan tunawin natin yung asukal sa vinegar. Okay? Then set it aside. Tapos ngayon, we have to add the bell pepper. And then after that, idadagdag natin ang carrots. Madali lamang ito. It would take probably around 2 to 3 minutes luto na yung ating gulay. This is also a good extender at saka mas healthy yung ating sauce. No? Ayan, lagyan na natin lagay natin yung diluted sugar in the vinegar. And then we have to let it boil. So habang hinihintay, magdi-dilute din tayo ng cornstarch in the water. Then after diluting, iset aside muna natin. Ayan, luto na ang ating gulay, and then dadagdagan na natin ng tomato sauce. So we have to add tomato sauce, and then we have to stir it. We have to mix it well. I can smell it. It smells so good. By the way, I seasoned it with salt also. So you can put salt according to your desired taste. So susunod, ilalagay natin ang ating diluted cornstarch. Para maging sticky yung sauce natin, or a little sticky. So depende sa consistency na gusto ninyo. So ilagay natin. Well, it will take just a minute. Maluto na siya. So this is ready. So you can place this one on top of the fish as toppings. And look at the sweet and sour lapu-lapu. It looks so colorful. And you know, it's really tasty. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.